Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus?
What's up guys, it's your girl Shianne Diamond and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing this braid out, which is my official braid out routine. Perfect to the T. My hair loves this routine. I still need to like lay my edges down with like a headscarf just so that it can set. But I love it. I haven't fluffed my hair out. I haven't undid my twists too much. So this is it coming straight out a braid out and I am in love with it. So let's get into it. Before I get into it, make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you have liked this video. It's free. And turn your post notifications on so you don't miss a thing. I just washed my hair. So right now it's wrapped in a t-shirt. I always use a t-shirt, not towel, or I use like a microfiber towel, which is better for your hair because it doesn't dry out your hair. Now the first thing I'm going to do, as you can see my eczema is doing the most. I have seborrheic eczema, so my scalp gets very like flaky and like, yeah, it's a mess. So I'm just going to moisturize my scalp with some castor oil that I have here. Massage that into my scalp. Cool. So I'm happy with my scalp moisturizing. Now I was gonna use Aunt Jackie's detangling therapy for my hair, but I ran out and I haven't been able to go to the shop. So instead I'm gonna be using the hydrating silkening hair milk. The only thing I don't like is this. I don't like having to my hair, so I'm gonna put it in my mist spray bowl. I'm gonna take down my hair. I'm gonna do it bit by bit. So I'm gonna put this bit in a hairband. Cool. So we're gonna focus on this part of my hair. My hair's getting really long. I need to trim my ends, so I'll do that off camera. Well, that's not the focus today, so I'll do that another day. I'm gonna put this in my hair. I just realized I didn't even bring my comb in here. Wondering why a tangle teaser and a wide tooth comb. I feel like the tangle teaser like proper gets your curls. Like I don't know what it is about the tangle teaser, but it's because it's more smaller bristles. I feel like it gets your curls a bit better. Like look at that. It just looks better to me. Anyway, the first product I'm going to be using, if you've watched my last video, you already know this. It's the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Gel. So I'm going to be taking the, it's like a, kind of like Eco Styler jelly. Yeah. And I'm going to put that in my hair. And get some more, put it in my hair. Just until I feel like I had enough. And make sure you get your roots. That's like my big boy mistake all the time. Look how like juicy they look. I always get my ends extra because they're dry. I need a trim. I'm gonna go in with my tangle teaser and pull it out just to distribute the product a bit more. I'm looking at my mirror if you're thinking what I'm looking at right there. That is my hair with just this, what's it called? Elongated curl gel. Look at it. That is lit. That is lit. That's beautiful. Learning my curls has been one of the most satisfying things ever. Like, once my hair couldn't do this once upon a time. It couldn't. Now, effortless. But anyway. After I've put this in, you're gonna seal up your hair. Look how long my hair's gotten, by the way. Shrinkage is real. To seal it up, we're gonna be using the Seal It Up Hydrating Sealing Butter. Again, by Aunt Jackie's. We're gonna be using all of Aunt Jackie's products today. Apart from the shampoo and conditioner that I use to wash my hair. I love Aunt Jackie's. Like, I need to try the purple range. I put in some lip gloss on. This is Gloss Me by Me Skincare. Just rejuvenated. But anyway, back to it. I'm gonna be taking the butter. Take any size you want, and I'm gonna be putting it in to seal in all the moisture. Beautiful. I'm gonna just half this, wrap this one all the way up here, and I'm going to braid this because we are doing a braid out. And I don't know how many braids I'm gonna be doing, but we'll just see how we go. My head is pretty small. And if you're wondering if Aunt Jackie's products will work for you, I have 4C friends who it works for, but surprisingly it doesn't really work on my sister, and her hair is 4B. So I think my hair is like 4A. I'm not sure. Help me out. I don't know. I really don't know what my hair is, but it's black. It's black, and that's all I know. And then I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. When I come back to like towards the front, I will be back with you guys, because I don't want to bore you with my hair unless I speed it up. But I feel like my camera's gonna die, because that's what these things like to do. When I get to the front of my hair, I will show you guys. So guys, I am done with my hair. As you can see, the product's still in my hair because I put lots, but trust me, my hair will soak it all up. I'd say in total I have about 20, 18 plaits. We'll see tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this in my hair. Today's Thursday, I'm gonna be taking this out Saturday morning, afternoonish times, and then it will be fully dry so we can see if these products are official when it comes to a braid out. So yeah, see you in the next clip, which will be in 2 days. What's up guys, I'm back. It's a new day. It is now Saturday. As I said, I was gonna wait 2 days for my braids to set, and they are absolutely set. I'm kind of scared that it's gonna be like shrinky, because I pull my hair and it's all the way down here, and then, so yeah. So to take down my hair, what I'm going to be using is some castor oil. I'm going to put that in my hands. I've already oiled my scalp because I'm not about to have dry scalp, and once my hair is in a braid out, I never really touch my scalp because I'm lazy. I'm a lazy natural. So I'm going to rub my hands with castor oil and take down my braids bit by bit. Now I'm gonna do the back, and then when I get to the front area, then I'll come back on camera because you're not gonna see nothing from the back. So I'll be back. We are now on the last plait. I got carried away and basically did the whole of my hair because I'm going out and they're coming to pick me up soon. So, but I'm on my last plait and my hair looks so juicy. This is definitely my official braid out routine. For sure. I'm not gonna I haven't separated my curls or anything because I don't know if I like that look on me. I think I like it when my curls are a little bit flat because it does grow throughout the day. So I just like to leave it alone. But I feel like when I do untwist them, it becomes like all frizzy and tangled up. So this is just how I like it to look. More defined and just like this. Make sure I don't miss anything because famous for that. This is the final form. I'm going to do my edges. Put some oil here. I'm using gummy styling wax to do my edges. This is like standard. Only edge control or wax I use for my edges. So I'm going to take some of that and lay this baby down. I'm not going to do the most of my edges because really no one's going to see it. It's going to be underneath my hair. but I like it to just look neat underneath just in case the wind blows. Or I decide that I want to put my hair up at some point in the day. It's really just to give it a finished look. It's a neat look. There's a bit of oil in my hair, so my scalp, my edges are not going to lay how I need them to, which is fine because that is not how my hair is. So this is the finished look. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. It's your girl Shianne Diamond, and I am out.